Let's start with the date. February 5. That was the day Anthropic briefly shook global tech markets. A sudden sell-off widely shared AI orders was triggered by a software release. Anthropic launched its most advanced model yet, not just a better chatbot, a system that can analyze large amounts of data, coordinate coding assistance, handle tasks that looked a lot like product management. This wasn't software that simply helps people work. It hinted at software that could flatten whole layers of organizations. The immediate anxiety was around software as a service companies. If one AI system can write code, debug it, manage workflows and integrate outputs, what happens to dozens of specialized tools doing one narrow task each? The undermining of the economics of software development. Then came the real jolt: AI agents, systems that can act autonomously and complete complex tasks over time, not prompt and response tools. AI as an organizational actor. Engineers were stunned, really stunned. Projects that once took sometimes a year would be finished in weeks. Not because people worked harder, friction disappeared. This has moved into real firms. Goldman Sachs is building AI agents using Claude to automate trade accounting. The aim isn't layoffs, yet it's speed, fewer errors. Across law, finance, consulting, AI is starting to feel less like software and more like a digital co-worker. It's not a matter of predicting job losses today. What is clear is efficiency. What is clear is productivity gains. The real shift is not work disappearing, but work being reorganized. Now that intelligence is cheap and scalable, the architecture of work itself is starting to change.